making salsa, I have to use up these tomatoes. Anybody else, I have given them away. You know, we have to use them up. I have given them away to neighbors. I'm inundated with the hot peppers, the herbs, the tomatoes. I have got a million acorn squash, all varieties, coming in strong. Gave away a lot of my zucchinis. Still have a few more. But first batch of salsa. Not canning this one because it goes so fast, the first few batches, until we get tired of it. And then I'm probably going to make a mango salsa with the lighter colored tomatoes. Less acidity, better for me, better as we age for GERD and all of that. A little more flowers today. But love the salsa. Normally I do a chunky salsa. This time I did the blender style. Worked out fine. I did not, it is de-skinned, so I steamed off my skin for my tomatoes. I just find it's a little easier to not have the skin. But it's, you know, it's up to you how you want to do that. I toast my baguettes. I make my baguettes home fresh, and then I just toast them, add mozzarella, add a bit of the salsa and some basil, and oh man, so good, guys. Really good. Been a long day, so I'm beat. Feeling pretty tired. But garden's producing. This is what it's all about. Now we just gotta do stuff with it. I gotta figure out. Give it away. You know, great stuff. And this is also lots of peppers, lots of beans. So I have a lot more to do. I look a fright, but that's the way it goes when you're going from garden to kitchen. Signing off. Jules here. Stay blessed.